If you think powder avalanches are safe, you're risking suffocation in plain sight. Loose snow doesn't always bury you. It actually deletes your oxygen while you're still standing. That soft powder can turn into a white vapor cloud moving over 100 miles per hour. And here's the part no one tells you. The cloud isn't just snow. It's pulverized ice particles so fine they behave like fluidized concrete. When it hits, it forces the air out of your lungs. You don't suffocate because you're buried. You suffocate because the mountain replaces breathable air with snow dust. You tried to outthink gravity, but gravity weaponized the air. And that's why powder avalanches aren't safe. Comment breathing if you'd survive the cloud.